So good evening everyone, this is how to solve a parallel series circuit. So take note that a parallel circuit is a current divider while a series circuit is a voltage divider. So this is a parallel series circuit. So let's first identify the problem and write down the given. Our total voltage is 24 volts. Our first resistor is 10 ohms. Our second voltage is 19 volts. Our third voltage is 16 volts. Our fourth resistor is 100 ohms and our fifth resistor is 40 ohms. So write down the given first. Okay. So, basi magtingala ka mo, hala, paano ko ni i-solve if may voltage be? Kay, basi, resistance lang tanan nahatag. Okay, so isa-isa ta. First, identify ta. So, first resistor, second resistor, third resistor, fourth resistor, fifth resistor. So, ang ari is ang R sub 6 ta. Tas ang ari naman is ang R sub 7 ta. Okay? So, isolve ta na ang total voltage sa R sub 6 and R sub 7. So, R sub 6 equal to idagod ka lang. Okay. R sub 6 equals to R sub 1 plus okay. Sorry. So, nasala ko. So, first, ang himuon ta is pangitaon ta ang voltage ka R sub 1. So, paano ta nahimuon? So, V sub 1 is equals to V sub T, which is our total voltage, minus V sub 2. So, V sub 1 is equals to 24 volts minus value sang second voltage mo is 19 volts. So V sub 1 is equals to 5 volts. 5 volts. So nakuha ta na ang first nga voltage. So ano din next nga mo unta? So makukuha ang current ya. So I sub 1 is equals to V sub 1 over R sub 1. I sub 1, which is ang I is ang current, ang V is ang voltage, and ang R is ang resistance. So butang tang value ya. 5 volts over 10 ohms. I sub 1 is equals to, so I sub 1 is equals to 0.5 amperes. So, nakuha ta na ang first nga voltage. And nakuha ta naman ang current ya. So, kompleto na ni ang first ang resistor. Butang tada na ang given. So, first voltage is 5 volts. Ang first din na current is 0.5 amperes. Kompleto na. Pwede ta din ma-solve ang R sub 6 ang total yung resistance. So R sub 6 is equals to R sub 1 plus R sub 2. So ma-substitute ta. So 10 ohms. Okay. So sorry. Sa lock ko na mislock ko. So isolve tagay danay ang second resistor, which is R sub 2 is equals to V sub 2 over I sub 2. So may voltage na nga given. Substitute ta 19 volts over. So same na ang current sa first resistor and second resistor will be the same. Kaya we in respect kung sila with respect to one another, you can consider this a series circuit. So 0.5 amperes divide na lang dayon, it will give us 38 ohms. So ang second resistor ta is 38 ohms. So masolve na dayon ang R sub 6. R sub 6 is equals to R sub 1 plus R sub 2 is equals to 10 ohms plus 38 ohms. It will give us 48 ohms. R sub 6 is 48 ohms. Okay. So 48 ohms. Okay. So i-apply taman sa 7th resistor. Kay as you can see, voltage tas resistance. So i-apply taman Japon. So i-apply taman Japon, guys. So inkuha ko ni sa ang 16 volts tungod kay given sa. So amo na ang value ka third nga voltage. It will give us 8 volts. So our fourth voltage is 8 volts. So current naman. So, na-solve ko ng current sa fourth resistor So, always remember nga kung ma-solve mo na ang isa ka current, automatically ma-apply mo na sa isa ka resistor. Kay, sa amo ni nga instance. Kay, in respect to one another series ni sa. Solve na dayon ang third resistor. Ay, sorry. So, i-divide na lang guys ha. It will give us 200 ohms. So, na-complete ito na. I-solve na naman din ang R sub 7. I-add ta lang sa. Kay, since series man isa. With, in respect to one another. So, R sub 7 is 300 ohms. So, isulat ta sa given kay para mabalanta if ano na lang ang kulang ta. So, 8 volts. V sub 4 is 8 volts. I sub 4 is 0.08 amperes. So, is the third, so is I sub 3. 0.08 amperes. I sub 2 is 0.5 amperes. R sub 2 is 38 amperes. R sub 3 is 200. R sub 2 is equals to 38 ohms. R sub 3 is equal to 200 ohms. So, ang fifth resistor na lang pangitaon. So, ang fifth resistor naman ang pangitaon ta. So, R sub 5 is equals to V sub 5 over sorry. So, I sub 5 is equals to V sub 5 over R sub 5. So, that is 24 volts. So, ang yan ni is since parallel ni sila, ang R sub 6, R sub 7, and R sub 5 are parallel to one another. So, that will mean nga ga-share sila 24 volts. So, amo na nga 24 volts nandigin butang ko sa V sub 5 kay ang total voltage mo is 24 volts. So, R sub 6 is 24 volts, R sub 7 is 24 volts, and R sub 5 is 24 volts. Yung value, R sub 5, ang value is 40 ohms. So, divide ka lang. 24 divided by 40. That will give us 0.6 amperes. Okay. So, list down the anay. 24 volts, 24 volts, 24 volts. A sub 5 is 0.6 amperes. R sub I forgot to put the value of R sub 7. in the given. So R sub 7 is 300 ohms. So isolve tanay ang total resistance. So ang formula ka total resistance is 1 over R sub T, which is our total resistance, is equals to 1 over R sub 5 plus 1 over R sub 6 plus 1 over R sub 7. So, masubstitute lang ta. 1 over, ang value of R sub 5 is 40 ohms plus 1. Ang R sub 6 ta is 48 ohms plus 1 over, ang value ka R sub 7 ta is 300 ohms. Okay. So 1 divided by 40, it will give us 0.025 ohms plus 1 divided by 48, that will give us 0.020. I know, sorry, I forgot to round up. That will give us 0.021 plus 1 divided by 300. That will give us 3. So, amanin ko guys, 1 divided by 300. So, 3.33. Continuous ang 3. Tama niyo, ang times 10 raised to the power of negative 3. So, ang imuunta na is ma-move to decimal places. 3 times sa left. So, yan na is 3.3. So, 3.3 continuous. So, diba? So, times 10 raised to the power negative 3. So, i-move ta left 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 0.00. Okay? So, that will give us 0.0033 ohms. Sorry, I forgot to put the sign ohms plus. Okay. I'm sorry lang if lag ka. Okay, wala ko may na-plastar. Okay, so 0.025 plus 0.021 plus 0.0033, that will give us 0.049 ohms. Take note ta nga kwaon tapan niyo ang 1 sa babaw. So, paano ta na sa himuon? So, divide ta lang ni sa by 1. Okay? Para ma-cancel out ni ang 1 diri sa total resistance para R sub T na lang bilin. So, R sub T is equals to 1 divided by 0.049. That will give us 20.41 ohms. 20.41 ohms. So, our total resistance will be 20.41 ohms. So, we'll be able to solve for the total current. But first, let's solve for the current of our 6th and 7th resistor. So, paano tayo sa himuon? So, I sub 6 is equals to R sub, V sub 6, that's V guys, over R sub 6. So 24 volts. Kay since 24, 24, 24, kay parallel ni sila. Tapos ang value ka R sub 6 da is 48 ohms. So I sub 6, divide na lang. 24 divided by 48 is 0.5. 0.5 amperes. 0.5 amperes. So nakuha ta na ang resistance ka nakuha ta ng resistance ka 6 nga resistor. May ara naman din current, may ara naman din voltage. So mabaylo naman ta sa 7 resistor. So I sub 7 is equals to V sub 7 over R sub 7 is equals to 24 volts over ang value ka R sub 7 is 300 ohms. So 24 divided by 300 is equal to 0.08 amperes. So our I sub 7 is 0.08 amperes. So 0.08 amperes. So isolve na ang total ta nga current. So same formula, which is Ohm's law. So galain-lain lang sa. So i-triangle method nyo lang. So I sub t is equals to V sub t over R sub t. So substitute ta. I sub t is equals to 24 volts. Ang total ng resistance is 20.41 ohms. So ibaylo ko lang since wala na space. So our total current will be 24 divide mo sa 20.41. That will give us 1.18. So that will give us 1.18 amperes. 1.18 amperes. Gin-round up ta sa. So if i-solve, butang ta diyo 1.18 amperes. So kompleto na ang given ta. Okay. So kung para mabalaan mo if check to ang suma mo, i-add mo ang current, ang 6th, 7th, and 5th current. Okay? Ang 6th, 7th, and 5th current. So ang 6th na current is 0.5. 7th na naman is 0.08 plus yung 5th nga current is 0.6. That will give us, so this is our 6th. So this is our 6th resistor, 7th resistor, and 5th resistor. So ang total nila nga current if i-combine tang tatlo is 1.18 amperes. So total tadi nga sinuma nga current is 1.18. So mabalanta na nga check tong sumata. Okay. So that will conclude our video session. So first ko pa lang ning video. So wow, it took 25 minutes. So wala ni cut. So okay. Hopefully may na-understand ka mo and hopefully na-apply nyo. Okay, thank you.